the more I start to take this out, the more I start to panic.
Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana.
Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video, and as y'all can see, I got my hair out. I haven't done a natural hair video in so long, and I plan on going out this Saturday, but I want to go out with my natural hair because I haven't given my natural hair any type of flair. Like, it hasn't gotten the love that my wigs and my braids and everything else have. Like, I want to do something new. So I have been looking and watching tons of videos on how to do a perm rod set. I have never done this before, so I don't want to call this a tutorial. It's going to be more of a get ready with me. We're going to do this. I'm going to go out and see if it lasts, because when I curl my hair out, for instance, when I do Bantu knots, the curls kind of pop back out and it looks great for the first few days, but then, not even first few days, probably the first day, but when I go outside, my hair completely poofs up. So I'm going to see if the perm rod is a style that actually works for my hair, and see how long it lasts me. So yeah, it'll be like a little countdown. So today is Thursday, I go out on Saturday, so I'm going to put it in today. Let it sit. I'm not going to uncurl it until Saturday before I have to go out. So yeah, let me stop talking. Let's get started. I'm going to show y'all what I bought for the set. Okay, so I blow dried my hair. This is the things that I purchased. So of course you need some, what do you call these? Rods. I got two different sizes. I got this smaller kind of medium size for the front, and I got these bigger medium-ish size. I feel like they're the same size. Maybe not. But I got these. It's 12 in a pack, and I also have some already somewhere as well. I also bought this to help blow dry my hair. It says the bonnet. It's a bonnet drying for your handheld dryer. So hopefully it works the way I want it to work. So I got this. I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 2 hours with this. And then I'm going to let it air dry because I'm going to leave it overnight. For my foam. So for my foam, I have all this already. But I decided after watching some YouTube videos that a lot of girls are use a lot of body. So I'm going to use the lot of body wrap. And yeah. So I may alternate between the two just to see, like I might do one side with this, one side with that, just to kind of see how it looks, but in the front side. But no, maybe the back side. But yeah, these are what I have. Of course, I have some combs and some little clips, of course, and rubber bands or scrunchy munchies, whatever you call those. So I'm not going to be talking throughout this part. I'm going to just get as close as possible, show you guys what I'm doing when I get closer towards the front so you guys can really see. But I'm going to go ahead and get half the back done, and I'll be back with the front to show you guys how I do it. Okay, so you can see I have some in here. I am going to part this. I'm going to start the back. Now, personally, I don't think it matters how you part it, as long as you part it. Put the foam. All in the hair, all in it. Make sure you separate nice and foamy. Then you're going to brush. I'm going to take this one. This is a different size, so I'm kind of playing around with the size. And then you're going to come down You're gonna take it and, so because of my nails, I'm having a hard time gripping it. So once you have it, on the twist until you get there, and you're gonna tighten it here. You wanna put it on the side with the hair going over. So you're gonna grab it and, oh, my nails. Bring it right there. I'm trying to make it as clean as possible with dealing with these long nails and having a hard time gripping it. But I'm gonna just continue to let you guys watch while I go through this. So I am finished. It's all done. Yay. So it's giving very much so granny, but look, sexy granny. I'm going to go put this on my head with the blow dryer for about 2 hours. I'm gonna keep this in all Friday. Not going anywhere Friday. I'm probably gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna tie my hair up. My feet done, not my nails, my feet. But put this on. I just feel like such a grandma right now. Like, if this is what Grammys feel like when they be having their rollers in, this is what it's giving. But yeah, so after 2 hours, I am done. Look at the ghetto neck. It doesn't completely fit on here, but it's doing the job. Hey you guys, so it is Saturday. Big Worm is back, and if y'all get that, Big Worm. I just came from taking a shower. I'm about to do my eyebrows, my makeup a little bit, but I'm about to take these out because we're about to go out. So I'm in kind of a rush. Now, I know when it comes to taking these out, they say you're supposed to have oil in your hand. I don't really like putting oil products, I don't like putting oil or any type of products in my hair. So I do have some Jamaican castor oil. I'm gonna spray it in my hand just to get that oiliness feel in my hand before I start taking these out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the back, and I'll be back to show you how to front. The more I start to take this out, the more I start to panic. Look at the back. But here is what one of them is looking like. And they're so cute. That one is nice and coiled. A good amount of these were not coming out coiled. I don't know what I did wrong. Wow. I don't even know what to say right now. My hair is giving Shirley Temple. What the fuck? Oh my god. I'll never do this hairstyle again. It's what I get for watching YouTube videos. Now I look like fucking Shirley fucking Temple. But as you guys can see, the curls came out long. I'm doing a video. So this is the result of my work. I don't even know what to say. I'm just so disgusted by how it looks. Like, I thought I did everything right. Like, I don't know if I maybe gotta stretch it out because I have shrinkage. I'm gonna try to stretch it out, see if that helps. It still just look. I just want to fucking fight somebody and cry right now. I have somewhere to go and my hair does not. I'm gonna go fix my hair and figure out what I'm about to do with it to make it look cute, you guys. I'll be back. Okay, so I did a little something on my hair, you guys. I put it up in like a ponytail for now because I'm about to go out and I gotta get dressed to leave. But this is what I got so far. I'm still not too happy about it, but it is what it is. I was like, you know, I'm upset. I just walked off the screen in the middle of my conversation. But one thing about me, I make shit work. So I'm gonna make this work. And that'll be it. I'm just putting pins in my hair in certain places. So I'm gonna give it like a mohawk effect. And then kind of poofing it up. I'm not happy about this hairstyle. But that is it for this video, you guys. Never doing a rolling up perm rolling whatever set ever again. Deuces.